Hi people, I just wanted to do a quick video on this case I bought from Knipex for my favorite pliers that I own. These are new updates I have, and I wanted to have a special case for them. So I found this case on Amazon. I'll put a description or part number for it on the descriptions of the video, and you can look it up from there. You can get it on Amazon or some other tool outlets have it, and it's about $18 and maybe $20 to $15 maybe. Anyway, it's for 4 tools, and I put my 4 favorite tools in here. Okay. I have my, which are not Knipex, my snap-on Talon grip needle nose pliers, LN46ACF. These are about 7 inches. So everything in here is between 7 inches, and I believe this one is a little over 8. Then I got my Knipex plier wrench, comfort grip on all my tools except for my snap-on, of course. Then I got my Cobras, 7 1/4 Cobras. Also has a connection there. And then I have my Cobra twin grips. These are the ones over 8 inches. So this case, it'll hold 4 or whatever you want in there, or maybe more, depending if you want to put more than one item in each one. But each one of these are, like I say, 8 inches to 7 inches, so it's not very big. And it folds nicely into a small, compact area. I can keep all my nice pliers in one separate spot. And there it is. Enjoy.